Welcome in, y'all. Salon Diva V in the place to be, my garden. And right now, I am prepping this bed right here. We're gonna be planting our onions in the bed and watering everything in before the sun comes up at full temperature. Getting everything warm. Getting everything watered in, and I'm also gonna put my shade cloth back on to protect these new plants. Okay, so we're about to plant in these red onions right here. Oh wow, this says this is a product of Canada. Okay, well, we already purchased them, so we planting them. It says they need full sun. Plant them in mid-season, and these are the red onions. Cause we ain't playing over here. We growing our groceries, feeding our families, and getting it done. So I'm gonna try to fill up this bed with onions. I'm also gonna put it around my other beds to act as a pest repellent. Cause y'all know I got a lot of them in the garden. They just won't leave me alone. Won't let me be great. So we'll put y'all over here. Bring y'all down so y'all can see. So with these onions, I want the bulbs to be kind of big. So I'm planting all of them, but I'm planting them, I'm not gonna plant them too close to each other to give them some space and opportunity to grow. Buddy don't look too good. Look at him. But guess what? I'm planting him anyway. And for the newbie gardeners, you always want to plant with the pointy side sticking up. And I'm gonna plant the little misfit looking onions. So I'm gonna plant the little misfit looking onions around the garden as like protectors or defenders, as, let me just say, pest repellents. There ain't too many big ones in here, but they gonna get in this garden. I'll tell you that. Big, little, short, tall. They're gonna be up in here today. All right, so I'm gonna start another row over here. I also purchased some other tomato varieties from HEB. They have their starts on sale for $1.75, y'all. So yes, I did pick some up. Trying to make them like a little zigzag. Yeah, don't have nothing in that one. All right, let's see. This one don't look all that great either. And I think this bag, if they all do well, I think this will last us. Because we eat a lot of purple onions around in this house. So I'm just putting the soil around them. So we're going to do what we're supposed to do and let God do the rest. Got some itty bitty ones kind of camouflage themselves. I apologize for the neighbors cutting their grass. tea. Not the tea. Where we go? All right, y'all. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be. My garden, planting in my red onions. And this is the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Share me with your family and your friends. And until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace.